These AI mechanical toys are blowing up on TikTok and Reels. I'm going to teach you step by step how you can create them for free. So when you log into your ChatGPT, go to the left, click on Explore GPTs. And at the top, you're going to type in mechanical toy generator. You're going to click on the first one. Come down to the bottom, click Start Chat. Then click Start the Generator. As you can see, it provided 10 mechanical toy concepts. You can go through the list and choose the one that you want. I'm going to choose number 4, prehistoric reptiles. Click Generate at the bottom. Okay, guys, so ChatGPT has provided us 2 prompts and video prompts for 6 different concepts here, okay? Guys, I am going to choose model number 5, so I'm going to copy my first prompt here. Head over to Google, type in Flow AI. You're going to click on Google Flow. Okay, guys, so if you don't have an account with Flow AI, you can easily create one by connecting to your Google account. Once that's done, click New Project. And we're going to come down here, guys. And we're going to make sure it says Image. Make sure it says 916. Okay. You can do 2 images if you want. Okay. And we're going to paste the prompt that we got from ChatGPT. Click Enter. And Flow will give us 2 images, okay? Okay, guys, so these are the 2 images that Flow gave us. They both look good. I'll probably go with this image here. Right back at ChatGPT, guys, we're going to copy our second image prompt. Go ahead and click Copy. Okay, we're going to paste our second prompt here. Click Generate again. Guys, so these are the 2 images that Flow gave us. I'm going to go with this one right here. Flow has created from this little box unfolded a mechanical toy. Okay, guys, so right back in ChatGPT, we're going to go ahead and copy our video image prompt, okay? As we are back at Flow AI, I'm going to come back down here, okay? And we're going to select video this time. Make sure it's on frames and 916 is selected. Instead of 2 videos, we're going to select 1. Okay. Then we're going to come over here, click on Start. Okay. You're going to select the image that you want. I'm going to select this one here. Okay. And for End, I'm going to select this image here. And then below it, I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste my prompt and click generate, okay? Our video is ready. I'm going to click on it. Okay, guys, that looks good to me. It's just that simple. You can create your own video as simple as this under 3 minutes. Guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.